So this is the Innate. It's a 3-chambered ceramic flute, and it's specially designed to make beautiful harmonic sounds. It has one big chamber, a middle chamber, and a small chamber in the front, and every chamber produces 4 different notes, and together it's always a harmony. So it doesn't matter whatever you do, whatever finger you lift, it's always a beautiful harmony. If you want to play the Innate, every chamber has 2 holes, and the back holes you put your thumbs. On the front under you put your middle finger, and here 2 fingers are left. You put your index fingers. And any combination, lifting up, gives a different tone and a different harmony. In the beginning, when you start to play the Innate, you have to get used a bit like where the holes are. But what's very important, you don't have to be afraid that it's going to fall out of your hands. Because if you push it like this, you can leave all hands like that, and the Innate will stick between your 2 hands. So you will get used to it soon. Even when the Innate is designed to be a very simple instrument and easy to play, there's one thing you need to learn, and that is actually how to blow it. Well, one tip I can give you, imagine you use your mouth to whistle. Forget the whistle and only blow like that. That's exactly the right amount you need to play the Innate. And you will hear it when you play too loud or too soft. Nothing much happens. So try to find the right balance between breath and pressure, and the Innate will always will sound in tune. You can play the Innate in different ways. The most easy way is just blow and lift any finger, and you will hear a harmony. I show you. So I just lift fingers, and now randomly play. It's always a harmony. You can also say, no, I only lift the front fingers or the back fingers or the fingers down. It's more like a mathematic way. You get different sound. Or only the fingers on the right side, left side. Any combination can make something beautiful. What you also can do, if you listen good, it's a harmony, but because this is a low flute, a middle flute and a high flute, you can have a melody line going through the harmony. So you can play with harmony and melody at the same time. When you play the Innate, my tip is always don't blow as long until you don't have breath anymore. Stop a little bit before. So know how much breath you have and do something nice in the middle. You can add rhythm or not add rhythm, that doesn't matter so much. Another way to play the Innate is to play short notes. And another way is to play some more with your breath. You also can give accents by covering holes not completely. or opening holes completely and then slowly open them. The Innate is a ceramic instrument. To take care of it, you don't have to do much. If it's dirty, just wipe it with a dry towel or with a little bit moist towel. When you play a lot, it's possible you get some moist inside the instrument. What you do then, you put your two thumbs over the two thipples in the back, and you put your index finger over the thipple in front, and you blow shortly, hard into the head thipple. Don't open, because it will give a really loud squeak, and that's not what you want to hear. So like that, you clean the airways and you can play the instrument without a problem. When you finish playing the instrument, don't put it back in its case closed, but leave the case open for a while so any moisture can get out. And like that, your Innate will stay good for many years. When you want to play the Innate on somebody's head, you need to take care of some things. First, it's important that the person you are behind them knows where you are. So I put my hand on her shoulder and I say, I go put the Innate now on your head, close your eyes and relax. If you don't like it, just put one finger up and I will stop immediately. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So I put the Innate softly on her head and I play. And I always watch her hand and always watch how somebody feels. What's also is important, don't play too loud, don't do too much things, but make nice and soft sounds. If you're done playing, put your hand on the shoulder, lift the flute up and say, you can open your eyes now.